Welcome to the FAM Podcast, a podcast about finance and mental health, teaching you good monetary habits to increase your income and improving your relationship with money, all while helping you with your mental well-being. And now here's your host, Braimoh.
Hello family, Braimoh here. Welcome to the FAM Podcast. In today's edition, I want to share some important financial moves you can make early and create your wealth as you go. Listen to me carefully. Wealth isn't built at 50. It's built in the decision you make right now, in your 20s, in your 30s, even in your 40s, or the moment you decide to get serious with your money. Most people wait until they are in crisis to start thinking about money. But if you can get just 5 moves right early, you can rewrite your entire financial story. Move number 1, master your cash flow. Money isn't just about how much you make, it's about how much you keep and control. Start simple budgeting. Budget. Even the 50-30-20 rule builds discipline. Track every money, every expenses. Track them. Use apps like Emma or Yacht to track your expenses. You will see where your cash is leaking. If you can't manage just £500, you will not be able to manage £50,000. Discipline at the bottom becomes freedom at the top. When you master that first move, you are on the right path. Move number 2, build an emergency fund. I love this one. Life doesn't warn you when it's about to happen to you. Job loss, car breakdown, or even health scare. Your first goal shouldn't be million. It's 500, 200, 1,000, then 3 to 6 months of living expenses. You are building your emergency fund gradually. Emergency fund isn't just money in the bank, it's mental security. It's the difference between panic and peace. When you master that move, again, you are treading on the right path. Move number 3, protect your credit early. Your credit score is your adult report card. Protect it like gold. Pay on time, keep utilization low, use credit card as a tool, not a trap. Good credit isn't about loans. It's about leverage. It's about savings thousands in interest over a period of time. That's your move number 3. Be smart with your money and think about how to flip your money, how to create your wealth at early age. Invest as soon as you can. That's your move number 4. Time is your greatest asset. Compound interest is a silent millionaire maker. Yeah, you hear me? Even £50 a month in an index fund grows into 1,000 over decades if you are consistent and you are being careful. Early investing isn't about big money, it's about big time. The earlier you start, the less you have to sacrifice later. These are simple rules. There are laws when it comes to creating wealth. You have to obey these laws and work with them. They will work in your favor. Move number 5, invest in yourself. Skills pay the bills. Learn high income skills. Read, network, take courses online, go to training, conference, seminars. Stretch your mind as much as you stretch your bank accounts. Learn, invest in your mind. Your earning potential will outgrows any stock or crypto if you keep leveling up yourself. Any money you spend on personal development is not wasted. For a second, pause right now. Picture your 40-year-old self Just picture that right now. Would they thank you for the moves you made today, or would they wish you had started sooner? Family, don't wait for the perfect moment to build your wealth. Discipline creates the moment. If this is making sense to you right now, pause this video, hit that share button, like, comment, send this to someone who needs a financial wake-up call, because these 5 moves aren't just tips, they are lifelines. The foundation of wealth isn't built on luck. I repeat right now, you hear me? The foundation of wealth isn't built on luck. It's built on early, intentional moves. Master your cash flow, build your emergency fund, protect your credit, start investing, and invest in yourself like your life depends on it. Because actually, it does. If these moves are waking you up right now, I would like you to pause this video. Once again, like, share, comment, and recommend this video to someone you know they need this information. Because at the end of the day, personal finance is personal, and your mental well-being is priceless. My name is Braimoh, and this is the Farm Podcast, and I'll see you in the...
Thanks for tuning in to another episode of the FAM Podcast. We hope you learned something valuable today. Be sure to subscribe wherever you heard this podcast so you never miss a future episode. And remember, health is wealth, and wealth is health. We'll see you next time.